Anyone can build their dream home on top of a mountain, but today's developer moved a mountain to create this dream home, forging 240 tons of Tennessee fieldstone from Crab Orchard Mountain, the same material used to construct the Country Music Hall of Fame, to create a $9.8 million modern masterpiece just minutes from Music Row. Welcome to 4231 Franklin Pike. As you drive through the gated entrance, you get the tiniest peek at what's to come. This is the first glimpse at how the builder seamlessly blends organic materials with modern design to keep this home feeling rich and warm. Walking through the entry gate, we're pulled into this interior courtyard where we find the custom fountain. In the spring, it will release flowing water over fragrant rosemary that fills the metal basin. I want you to get to know this home like I did, so be patient, lean into it as I walk you through all the exquisite details. I promise you the surprise that's coming won't disappoint. We are in the formal entry, greeting your guests through this custom 10-foot Portella pivot door creates an unspoken but impactful statement. Illuminated by the natural light, this entry embraces you. Light is really the leading lady here. The builder intentionally plays with both natural and ambient light in unexpected ways to highlight each space. Okay, let's keep moving. Here around the corner, step into the office. To call it an office doesn't do it justice. The materials are thoughtful and rich, custom walnut cabinetry and custom metal shelving. Work would not feel like work. Sitting at this desk, staring out those massive windows onto that peaceful courtyard. Gazing down the hallway, you get just the tiniest peek at more of this ruggedly beautiful Tennessee fieldstone. Every space, no matter how small, can stand alone as a work of art. Now let me take you around the corner to the primary suite. The French oak floors that we see throughout have been run in a herringbone pattern here, which softens the sturdiness of the fieldstone wall and the sharpness of the fireplace and its floating limestone hearth. This massive wall of windows opens up to your serene backyard filled with fruit trees. Stepping into the primary bath, we are standing on sienna limestone heated tile floors that lead up to the centerpiece of this space, this tulip-edged freestanding tub. I love how these edges subtly come together at a point and mirror the same tulip design in the custom gold vanity mirrors. And of course, this window wall fills the space with natural light and views of the private courtyard, all the way in to this massive stone wall shower. If you look closely, you'll notice that all the fixtures here and throughout are brass and have a beautiful patina. Right around the corner is this masterpiece of a closet. Who knew a closet could be so beautiful? Custom-built walnut cabinets and shelves, linear windows for natural light, these softly modern light fixtures, even the shoe shelves have been thoughtfully designed. Here is my favorite piece, this tucked-away beverage center and private laundry. This is where your morning coffee or evening cocktail is set, waiting just for you. Okay, I've kept you waiting long enough. Let me show you the incredible entertaining space. I promise it will take your breath away. Real quick, we'll pause at the dining room. This wall is a work of art with a 431 bottle climate-controlled floating wine storage, complete with accent lighting, of course, and these sliding glass doors open to the entrance courtyard and water feature. This home begs to entertain. The evening continues over here, where bartenders stand ready to create artisan cocktails, their jeweled bottles illuminated by the uplighting. The guests can stand back and take in the walnut tambour paneled cabinets, Italian marble counters, and brass undermount sink, while the bartenders make use of the Monogram integrated refrigerator, Sub-Zero ice maker, and integrated ASCO dishwasher. And now that you have your cocktail in hand, let me take you to my favorite surprise. The first time I saw this room, it literally made me gasp. It leaves you speechless, and it's not just one thing, but the combination. You feel the spaciousness overhead with the stellar 22-foot ceilings, balanced by the strength of 88 white oak beams and wrapped together by the custom iron bracket. The bracket is mounted on the shimmering plaster wall, which frames a 72-inch isokern fireplace. The party continues here because these glass wall doors literally mirror the doors in the dining room and open up onto the pool deck, bringing together the indoor and outdoor entertaining space. As we move into the kitchen, the plastered ceilings lower to create this cozy dining area. This is where you'll find casual dining. Pull up a chair at the Italian marble countertops or perch atop a bar stool at this butcher block prep space. This kitchen was made for a true foodie. We have 2 side-by-side Le Cornu ranges with 10 burners, 2 ovens, 2 integrated side-by-side Sub-Zero refrigerators, built-in Wolf coffee station microwave and warming drawer, and 2 integrated ASCO dishwashers. This is the pinnacle of kitchens. Who could ask for more? But there is more. Let's head upstairs. These are the back stairs tucked neatly away. On this side of the house, we'll find 3 guest rooms, all with uniquely designed ensuite baths. This room bridges the 2 sides of the home, and I'm obsessed with how this catwalk gives us an intimate view of the architecture of the box beam ceilings. We get to hover above it all and see it in an entirely different way. The gorgeous white oak box beams line this ceiling, and the wall holds a deeply inset limestone bar and backsplash. Our final stop before we go outside is this final separate ensuite guest room. The freestanding tub is nestled into the massive shower with walls lined in heavy Tennessee fieldstone. Phew, let's go check out the pool and cabana. Look, even our trip downstairs is stunning. The way these well lights make the light play off this thick stone wall, this home tucks little surprises everywhere. Okay, our final stop. Step outside with me. Now, it's February, but even with the winter skies, the outdoor space is jaw-dropping. The centerpiece, of course, is this heated gunite pool and integrated infinity spa. The cabana gives you shade and a cooling fan in the summer and the comforting smell of a wood-burning fireplace in the winter. Here is a heated and cooled bar area with a beverage fridge, ice maker, dishwasher, and of course, the warm uplighting we saw at the bar inside. As we cross over here, the stone arches create a little picture window, perfect for an additional serving area. Then let's step into the heated and cooled pool bath with washer-dryer connections for all your pool towels and linens. I have one final surprise, this freestanding outdoor shower. Rinsing off here would feel like playing in a summer storm. We just made an incredible journey through 8,700 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and I hope you savored every second. Before we go, I owe a huge thank you to the incredible agents responsible for this listing. Cathie Cato Renkin at French King, Happy Fulk and Tara McGuire with Parks. I admire them so much for their professionalism and the heart they have for landmark properties like this here in Nashville. We are excited to show you the best homes Nashville has to offer. So if you want to catch our next episode, be sure to subscribe now. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thank you for watching.